TSTP drive mapper. As you can see, I do not have any drives mapped, any network shares. I'm going to go ahead and open the program up, do a quick check. It does not detect any shares as well. I'm going to go ahead and add one of my shares. And this share requires credentials, so I'll go ahead and put those in as well. It asks if you want to add the share. I'm going to go ahead and add it. As you can see, it's showing up as one of my available shares. I'm going to go ahead and unmap that. Now it isn't showing. We can map it again if we need to. Now the good thing about the program is that you don't have to keep all the drives mapped, but you can have it remap them on startup. So I'm going to go ahead and check the re-add on startup button. Close this out. As you can see, still no drives mapped. Open the program back up. Drives mapped automatically. If it's already mapped, it will unmap it and remap it. And then you can unmap it manually if you need to, if you don't need it to re-add at startup. Uncheck it and it will not add it. There is a start on Windows startup, so the program can run as soon as Windows starts. You can set that and this combined so that when your computer starts up, it will unmap and remap any drives that you have here. You can add as many drives as you need to here. You can come in and edit it, change the credentials if you need to, or you can use the force connect, which will, if you're not connected already, it will ask you for credentials to connect. If you're already connected, for example, let's go ahead and map it again. It turns to force connect, asks you for credentials. If you enter in incorrect credentials, it will kick out an error to let you know you do not have credentials for it. There is a light mode if you want to blind your eyes, dark mode if you're normal. You can export it to a PowerShell script, which you can then use inside of our PowerShell version of the program, which the program can make a version of for you that will be found inside the TSTP folder on your C drive for Drive Mapper. There is a tutorial that shows you how to use all the options, what they do, how to set up the program, and then you can remove the drive if you don't need it. And drive does not exist, so it gives that error, and you're good to go. Alright, that is the TSTP drive mapper. You can download it at tstp.xyz.